everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious and today we're gonna be doing something different, something that I've never done before on this channel. So first things first, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on post notifications. So I just used apple cider vinegar and a pad to take out the glue, that's the old glue from the wig, so it doesn't have any white cast on it. Normally I would use alcohol, but I ran out of alcohol, so I decided to try vinegar to see if it would work, and it actually did. So that's what I did. And then I used some powder on my hairnet just to give it a kind of tone that complements my skin color. Now I have to note that this is actually my first time installing my wig by myself. I haven't done this before, so fingers crossed. You guys should just sit back, relax and watch, and let me know if I tried, if I did well. Lest I forget, I got this wig from Monica Luxury Hair. I can tag her in the description box, so if you like the wig you can get one for yourself. Yeah, I'm giving her free publicity. Anyways, so just watch and let me know what I did wrong so I can learn and do better next time. So sit back and relax. Thank you.
Only for you. This song is for you. When I said to you, I never wanna love another woman, girl, it was true. True, so true. I meant to marry you, and when I did, I didn't want to take care of you. For you, now you say you wanna leave me, girl. And around you, I have built my world. Whatever you heard about me, baby, it's definitely crazy. Oh, please give me one chance to show. Only for me, Lola. My chef, missy lie. Stay, girl. Ooh, yeah, baby. Coming to get you. You could be the one to make me smile. Be the only one to make me wanna have a child. Be the one I take on a date down the aisle. Be the first and the last girl to become my bride. I never wanna love another. No, I never love another woman. I can never love another woman. When I think about you leaving, I find myself grieving. Though it seems deceiving, I'm still believing, girl. Won't you stay with me forever? Ooh, baby, please don't make me cry. I know, say you don't wonder why do people fall in love? It could be for the game of pleasure, I don't know. When it comes to us, baby, that I'm sure you and I can turn this thing around. Don't now you be the one that makes me smile, and it's true. Oh yeah, now only you give our love a chance to reign. Baby, don't go, cause of Ifanaya. Cause of Ifanaya. Onye Bunobi. Oh, because of Ifanaya. Because of Ifanaya. Onye Bunobi. Baby, because don't go. Oh, because of Ifanaya. No, baby, go, don't go. Because of Ifanaya. Oh, yeah, but no, baby. My love is knocking on your door. I'm standing all alone on my own. Yeah. You see, I'm waiting for so long. Don't let this love to fall. Don't keep me waiting under the rain. I know, say you don't wonder why do people fall in love? It could be for the game or pleasure, I don't know. When it comes to us, baby, that I'm sure. You and I can turn this thing around. Oh, now you be the one that makes me smile, and it's true. Oh yeah, now only you fit give our love a chance to rest.